I'm Roshan Patel from Pinner Dental Care in the heart of Middlesex, Pinner. The Scott journey for me started early part of 2021, whereby we found a premises in Pinner. We set up a 2-surgery private practice. The challenges I faced were being able to put everything down to what I would need, whether it be from staff recruitment, whether it be the various policies I would need, and obviously getting ready for the CQC interview. That in itself was difficult to conceptualize without the help of Dental Compliance Made Easier. The team themselves were brilliant because they made it so much so that they'd give me a one-to-one. It wasn't just an email trail, it was actually a verbal conversation between Rajiv and he took me through the whole process from start to finish, and there wasn't any kind of stone left unturned. CQC was the hardest thing to be able to get done, because previously I had a practice whereby the CQC was there or thereabouts done, so it was more of a management, whereas with this practice we had to define CQC from day dot and obviously set it up. Rajiv and his team were fantastic to help me through the process, made it really easy. The software themselves are brilliant because it individualizes each compartment of the compliance procedure, whether it be from audits, whether it be from staff appraisals, whether it be from policies, and that just made it easier to circumnavigate so that everything was folded, as it were, within 16 folders. And those 16 folders gave us all the details that we needed, but had it in one place so that we knew we had tick boxes and we knew exactly what we were doing. And by virtue of the fact that if we were to go amiss for something, then we'd always get reminders as to what to do, and that's where the team, not just with Rajiv but his whole team, were instrumental in that. When it comes to policies, again, that's a rigmarole in itself, because there's so many policies that you have to have in place, and obviously have it tailored to suit my practice as we work. And so again, that's where Rajiv was really good. We've been open now for just over 10 months. The practice is going from strength to strength. We've increased patient numbers, we've been able to keep on top of the compliance, which from the Dental Compliance Made Easier software has made it really easy for not just me to be able to keep up to date with various policies or risk assessments and what have you, but my staff can actually use the software to be able to keep up to date with it. So that in itself is very handy for me personally, because I am the lead clinician here. So my day is pretty busy, whereas if I can offload most of the CQC stuff to my colleagues and my staff members, it makes their life a lot easier.